How to do the swing trading to make more profit than the scalping? You need to look for signs that support the swing trading. Let's take this chart for example. We can see that later on, the market has going up for a very good swing trading opportunity. Let's first do the basic analysis. We have the previous day high here. We also have the pivot levels. Here we can see that 3 points here, and then there's a slope, so we can join them and then have a trend line at the bottom. And then we do a parallel to the top, so we have another trend line. Later on, you can see the market follows the top trend line very well. Now let's look for signs that can support the swing trading. First, you want to wait for the market to make the first movement and capture it. So that's normally before the market is very slow. So here we can see the market is very slow after London Open. Here is the London Open. After that, you can see the bars are overlapping each other, so the market is very slow. So here we have a very good opportunity to capture the first movement and for swing trading. The second sign we are looking for is the market is in a very good setup. For example, here we have two valid trend lines. The market follows it very well, or we have other shapes like open triangle, the wedge, or even horizontally trading range. Then after that, the market makes the first movement. The movement will be very strong. For this channel up, we are waiting for the market to break either to the top or to the bottom. In this case, it's breaking up the top trend line, and also at the same time, you can see that here we have this bull bar. This bull bar is after the consolidation testing the top trend line. This is a very good setup. After the market breaks the trend line, go back to test the trend line again. So that's a very good setup for swing trading. The fourth sign is to look for the whole chart, whether it is supporting the swing trading in the same direction. Here we can see that previously the market has a high, low, a higher high, and a higher low. So it's supporting upward trending. The fifth sign is whether we have any levels ahead waiting for us or waiting for the market. In this case, we have the previous day high ahead. So if we enter here, you can see previous high is here. So the market will probably go there and then test it. So that's why we are confident the market will go up. And also, while you're entering here in the trading, you can see that the second leg is very strong. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive bull bars, and then each bar is larger than the previous bar, especially the last bar is very huge. That means the strength of the market. And also when you take a look at the pullback at the previous day high here, it's very shallow with very big tail at the bottom for this bear bar and then big tail at the bottom for this bull bar. These are signs for very strong uptrend strength. And also you can see that this is the first leg, and then the second leg is much stronger, so you're expecting a third leg. This is the sign to support the swing trading for the third leg.